Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to lecture number 16 of quadratic equation, where we are solving problem set, if I'm not wrong, right? So problem set main question number 8. Okay, just a second. See, the questions now onwards are easy again. I would not say they are difficult. They are easy, but you need to be sure with you need to be very thorough with the concept. Okay. So find m. In this case, you need to find m uh, for the following. It is having real and equal roots. So again and again, I won't keep on reminding you that you need to know the condition for roots. Okay. So I expect you all to know that. So number 10, 9 applications. So before applications only, I guess we are having lecture 8. So please keep on revising. See, real and equal root means delta is equal to 0. Next time onwards, I won't keep on saying again and again, okay? Has real and equal roots, no? Means delta is equal to 0. It means that here, so please be very sure with this. 8 lectures ago, we have completed. And if you feel that you don't remember, I would strongly suggest please go through the lecture again. So let's begin with this question, find m. Whenever we come across such a question, I would suggest start with comparing it with standard form and finding values, okay? So let's start the question. I'm not switching on my video today since there is some network fluctuation from my end, so it may lead into poor audio quality, okay? I'm still not sure that is screen and everything visible fine, but let's see. Okay, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now once you compare with ax square, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you are going to get value of a is equal to, that is m minus 12, value of b is equal to 2m minus 12, and value of c is equal to 2. Now we need to find first of all b square minus 4ac. तो फाइंड करके देखो क्या आ रहा है b square minus 4ac. Now of course the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. It means that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. But first of all, for that you should know now what is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac find karo. So here it's going to be, yes, do tell me, b square. So 2 into m minus 12 the whole square. This is my b square minus 4ac. Okay, here it's going to be क्या आएगा इधर 2 square is 4, and here it's going to be m minus 12 the whole square minus 8m plus 96, which is equal to 4m square 4 एक मिनट रुक जाओ डायरेक्ट if you don't know, see here m minus 12 the whole square. Okay, m minus 12 the whole square is nothing but a minus b the whole square का formula. It is in the same way, right? So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now similarly you can expand for m minus 12 the whole square. So it's going to be m square minus 24m plus 144 minus 8m plus 96. Okay, here it's going to be 4m square minus 96m, okay, plus 576 minus 8m plus 96. Therefore this is going to be solve this now, minus 96m minus 8m, it will give you minus 104m. So Shall I write it? Here it's going to be 4m square minus 104m और क्या आएगा 576 and 96. So always keep it a habit of solving. क्या आएगा 2 7 6 so 672 so plus 672. Okay, but the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal, so the roots of given quadratic equation, the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal, okay. It simply means that b square, therefore it means that b square minus 4ac is equal to what? 0, is equal to 0. So now it simply means that what is the value of b square minus 480? It is 4m square minus 104m plus 672 is equal to 0. Okay, now I would suggest first of all divided by 4. Check करो जा रहा है क्या 4 के W. I'll just write it neatly, no? Shabby it was looking. Therefore 4m square minus 104m plus 672 is equal to 0. Now I would suggest divided by 4. So तुमको क्या मिलेगा m square minus 104 भी जाता है 26 के टेबल में 26m plus 168 is equal to 0. डायरेक्ट 4 से डिवाइड करने को नहीं आता है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट डिवाइड बाय 2 फिर आगे करो, ठीक है. बट आई होप कि बीइंग इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड एटलीस्ट यू हैव टेबल्स बाय हार्ट अप टू 26 28, ठीक है. 30 तक तो जाने ही दो dividing by 4, and if not, it's not necessary कि सबको ही by heart होएगा tables, but have a habit of doing calculations and things, okay, so that it's easy. Now do factorization. You want 168, कुछ ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो 168 प्रोडक्ट होएगा एंड प्लस या माइनस किया तो मुझे मिलेगा 26. So which are those two number? If you don't know, at present I'm just giving you the answer since it's a pre-recorded lecture, but I want you all to solve and find it out. Okay, so 12 and 14 are the two numbers, so therefore m square minus 12m minus 14m plus 168 is equal to 0. Now divided into two groups. Okay, so m into m minus 12, okay, minus 14 into m minus 12 is equal to 0. Now m minus 12 and m minus 14 is equal to 0. Now either or is equal to 0. M minus 12 is equal to 0 or m minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Thank God. Therefore m is equal to 12 or m is equal to 14. Okay, now we need to find value of m, right? So if, let me take first case, that is if m is equal to 12, then m minus 12 is equal to 0. And if m is equal to 12, m minus 12 is equal to 0, and m minus 12 x square is equal to 0. So if such things happen, so a should not be equal to 0. Quadratic equation का पहला condition था. Therefore equation would not be quadratic one. Therefore it would not be a quadratic equation. Guys, don't forget that our main aim behind solving the question was to find m. What happens? We keep on solving, and at the end we just keep on thinking why we started solving the question. So don't forget, in this question we need to find m. Oh my god, this pen is horrible. Can't I get some good color? मतलब कलर अच्छा है, thickness थोड़ा कम चाहिए. So find m. We wanted to find m. Don't forget, our main motto was this. Okay. So therefore, it wouldn't be a quadratic equation. It would not be a quadratic equation. Therefore, m is equal to 12 is unacceptable. M is equal to 12 is unacceptable. Therefore, m is equal to 14. Okay. Then I'm therefore m is equal to 14. I would suggest write the final answer. Therefore, value of m is equal to 14. Okay. समझा इधर तक? Any doubt, any query? Now, students, if I take ninth question ना, it will be over within 9 minutes. Ninth question 9-10 minutes में हो जाएगा. Then we'll be left with 10 minutes. And the 10th question जो है ना, it will take 20 minutes. And exactly we are having 20 minutes to wind up with the lecture. So what I am thinking is I will take ninth question in the next lecture, that is lecture number 17. At present, I am taking 10th question. A 10th question is bit difficult one. Okay, so let me just go ahead with the 10th question. I'll just paste the question. I'm not saying that solving that question is very difficult. मतलब थोड़ा tough लगेगा. एक दो बार करोगे तो it would be a game for you. It would be really easy. Okay, so let's start. To find quadratic equation. Find quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of equation 2x square plus 2p plus qx plus p square plus q square. Okay, terrifying. I didn't understood a single word. So let's read the question term by term. Find quadratic equation such that its root are square of sum of the roots. मतलब sum of the roots का square होगा. Okay, and square of difference of the roots of equation. So first of all, जितना मुझे समझा, again we'll start with comparing it with general form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2p plus q, and c is equal to p square plus q square. Okay, I hope there is no query till now here. So now sum of the roots बोला है, उसका जिक्र किया है, तो alpha plus beta is given as minus b by e, which is equal to minus 2p plus q upon 2, which is equal to minus 2, and वो 2 गया तो बचेगा minus p plus q. I hope you don't have any query up to now. इधर तक तो हम लोग ने पहले के क्वेश्चंस में भी किया है, so there is nothing difficult. So now what is the next part coming on our way? Oh my god, I'm just tired doing up and down. Alpha into beta भी find कर लो, product of the root. So alpha into beta is equal to c by a, which is equal to p square q square is p square plus q square by 2. P square plus q square by 2. And let this be equation number 2. Let this be equation number 1. Now the roots of required equation are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. बराबर? The roots of required equation are, उन्होंने बोला है square. Okay, so the roots of required equation, are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. Okay, any queries? See, this is asked in the question. Okay, also now I would say let alpha 1 and beta 1 be roots of required equation. Let alpha 1 and beta 1 be the roots of required equation. Okay, be the roots of required equation. Let alpha and beta be the roots of required equation. Now, if such thing happen, alpha 1 will be equal to, as per the question, it is the square. It is the square. So alpha 1 is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square, and beta 1 is equal to, let's write neatly, and beta 1 is equal to alpha minus beta the whole square. Okay, now sum of the required roots. Now the sum of the required roots, that is alpha 1 plus beta 1. Okay, now uh, sum of the required roots, sum of the required roots. So here it's going to be alpha 1 plus beta 1, since it is the root. So alpha 1 plus beta 1 is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square. Okay, and beta 1 is equal to alpha minus beta the whole square. एक मिनट अल्फा, हाँ बराबर है alpha 1 plus beta 1 ना, so alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. Now I was saying it was difficult, this question seems to be difficult, but if you know the formulas very well, it is going to be easy. So again, a minus b the whole square है, वैसे तुमको a plus b the whole square का भी formula आना चाहिए. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it's going to be अल्फा 1 प्लस बीटा 1 का हो गया. अभी इसको सॉल्व करो अच्छे से, ठीक है. तो तुमको क्या मिलेगा? नाउ द सम ऑफ द रिक्वायर्ड रूट. सो नाउ I am trying to make this as simplest as possible. Alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to, इसका फॉर्मूला पढ़ा है हम लोग ने, अल्फा प्लस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट दिस. अल्फा माइनस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा. If you want now, in the last lecture of this topic, we will just make a formula sheet for all the formulas of alpha beta. Okay. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. There you all apply a minus b and a plus b. Huh? That's the reason I purposely went up. I wrote the formula, but it was applicable to only first sum. And here we are talking about roots of quadratic equation, that is in terms of alpha beta. And they are the roots. They are not the normal terms. Okay. So what is formula for alpha minus beta the whole square? It is going to be alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now I would suggest put forth the value and start solving. What is alpha plus beta ka value? It is minus p plus q the whole square, bracket ka whole square, minus 4 alpha beta, that is p plus, that is p square plus q square by 2. Okay, so ये किधर से मिला मुझे? ये मिला from 1 and 2. What was from 1 and 2? 1 and 2 was the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. अभी वो जब जब तुम सम सॉल्व करते हो ना, तब तुमको याद रखना चाहिए कि 1 क्या था, 2 क्या था. Now try to solve this part. Come on. So now here it is going to be p plus q the whole square, p plus q the whole square minus 2 p square plus q square. Now you will ask me, sir ये 2 किधर से आ गया? तो 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, let's continue. Come on, we are having still 10 minutes to go. If you are having any doubt, do ask me, and it's better if you ask me now itself. Please mention it in comment section. Then here p plus q the whole square. So p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 2p square minus 2q square. Here it's going to be minus p square plus 2pq minus q square, which is equal to, just give me a moment, minus of p minus q the whole square. Let this be my equation number 3. Similarly, alpha plus beta the whole square का भी तुमको मिलेगा. So alpha plus beta the whole square is going to be minus of p plus q the whole square, which is equal to p plus q the whole square. Okay, so let this be my equation number 4. I hope it makes sense and there is no doubt up to here. Now you need to find alpha 1 plus beta 1. Alpha 1 plus beta 1. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 is what? It is p plus q the whole square and minus p minus q the whole square. This you got from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. Okay. Which is equal to, क्या आएगा? Here now p plus q the whole square you can apply a plus b the whole square. ठीक है, अल्फा बीटा में नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते, बाकी तुम लोग कर सकते हो. So here it's going to be p square plus 2pq plus q square minus p square minus 2pq and minus, am I going wrong or what? Plus q square. रुक जाओ. अच्छा बाहर, अच्छा साइन चेंज हो जाएगा बिकॉज बाहर माइनस है. गॉट इट. सो हियर इट्स गोइंग टू बी प्लस 2pq minus q square. In this case I multiplied, I didn't expand. So here I am going to get 4pq because ye 2pq. Just let me use some color or highlighter to show you that part. See here, this 2pq and this 2pq will give me 4pq. Now this p square minus p square cut plus q square and minus q square cut. Okay, now I am interested in product of the required root, that is alpha 1 and beta 1. Okay, so the product of required roots, the product of required roots. Again, it's simple. The product of required roots, that is alpha 1 into beta 1. Alpha 1 into beta 1 is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square into alpha minus beta the whole square, which is equal to minus p plus q the whole square. Okay, and here it's going to be minus, क्या आएगा, minus p minus q the whole square, which is equal to, I hope I'm not going wrong since till here, so it's very correct. Whew, this question is never ending. So yeah, we are right. Just try to expand it. That is, इधर आ जाएगा p plus q the whole square and इधर आ जाएगा, take minus outside ना, take minus outside. तो क्या आएगा? So here it's going to be minus p plus q the whole square I didn't write minus outside. That's the reason I was making some. If you all are still confused, give me a moment. I will write the third step without skipping. So इधर आ जाएगा p plus q the whole square, and here it would be minus p minus q the square. Therefore, now take the minus sign outside. Here it's going to be p plus q square and p minus q square एक ही bracket में आ गया. Now minus, since you have taken minus outside, this last part is very tedious. Here it's going to be क्या आ जाएगा, since you have taken minus outside, here it's going to be a minus p square plus p square minus p square minus q square आएगा, minus p square minus q square the whole square. Okay, let this be my equation number 6. I hope I have mentioned the fifth equation as well. इसको fifth ले लो. Okay, and talking to the last part, fifth हो गया, sixth हो गया. Therefore required quadratic equation find करना है ना अपने को. Therefore the required quadratic equation is come on, we are having just 3 minutes to go. The required quadratic equation, now just we need to use formula. The required quadratic equation is, what is that? What is the formula? X square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha 1 beta 1 is equal to 0. So here it's going to be x square minus 4pqx plus, ठीक है चलो डायरेक्ट माइनस ही लिखता हूँ मैं, pqx. I don't want to increase the more steps now. Already this question is very big. So p square minus q square the whole square is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore the required, therefore x square, let me use some different pen. Therefore x square minus 4pqx 4pqx x square minus 4pqx minus p square minus q square the whole square is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. And we are done with today's session, since it's already 29 minutes and we are having only 1 minute, and in 1 minute we can't solve any other question. Okay, so that's all for today. This question is very important. That is the 10th question, and it may come in the exam for 4 marks. This question may appear in your exam for 4 marks. Okay, so be careful. If you didn't understood, please mention in the comment section. I will teach it again. I will record a separate lecture, revision lecture. At that time I can explain you. There will be a doubt solving session as well, so don't worry. So this question was easy. This question took 20 minutes. So rather than wasting time, I will end the session. Meet you all in lecture number 17. Okay, bye bye and have a good day. If you all want this note, please mail me so that I can release the notes. Okay, bye bye and have a good day. Just give me a moment. Bye.